Hey, I'm crazy about you. Even when I'm mad at you, it's complicated because you have a man or two. But I'll say how I feel. Life is short, and I don't want to know how I knew. Bro, the first time I met you, my mind you blew. You sneezed and my pen cut the flu. Bless you. All you had was short but true. I'll give you anything to have you continue. Why? Because I want you. That's why. If that's not reason enough, then it's your eyes. If that's not catchy enough, at least I tried. I swallowed my pride. Beneath all this beast and buff is Meek Me, who just wants to ride. Now it's on you if this died.
Have I told you lately I'm grateful